Hi teeny community. I don't know if you know this about me, but I am Jewish and I got this awesome, ridiculous Hannukah dress. It's actually from Target. I got it last year, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna have something crazy this year too. And I wanted to show you guys how to make guilt-free latkes. So they're healthier because you're not using as many potatoes, and we switched the potato mixture for cauliflower. I can't wait to show you guys how delicious it is, and an early happy Hanukkah to all of you. 1 cup of chopped cauliflower, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1/2 cup of mozzarella, 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, some pepper. You add 1 egg